Hi everyone, this is Rajdeep Banerjee. Welcome to English is Easy with RB. I'm back with your daily dose of English expressions. Today we're going to learn two expressions using answer. Answer back and answer for. Let's deal with answer back first. It's easy. Answer back means to reply answer rudely. Don't answer back. Now let's have an example using answer for. You have to answer for what you have done. You have to answer for your crimes. You have to answer for your actions. Answer for means to take responsibility for. More often than not, when we say that you have to answer for something, it means you have done something wrong, something you are not supposed to do. Okay? So once again, answer back means to reply or answer rudely. Answer for means to take responsibility for. Okay, I hope you got to learn something new. If you like the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. Until next time, this is RB signing off.